come back to my channel and then I will play Airplane Story. And I will go into the B. Oh, so many people. Hell yeah, I don't want. Leave room. Look, I see question. Oh, so many. No, leave. There 1, 4, and 5. Why I sit in here, but don't have chair? Airplane. Page 7. Where's my page 7? Where's my 7? This is 7 page. Yeah, this is my sit. But then I was sitting here. Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9813. Level and we're going. But there is this horror story later. This is H7. My one is H7. He is H9. Cool. She is H10. I love H7. Free to explore the. Now please find your seat. Wait. I want to go into the top. Okay, never mind. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. Wow. How is it? Oh my god, how? What's that happening? Monster is gonna die today. What? Oh, the landing. Or the flying. I want to go. Oh, it's fine. Hey! Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We're delivering delicious sandwich. Enjoy! Oh, this sandwich is too delicious! I want to eat burger again. Hey, sandwich. Come again. Lorry. Hey, I want to go into my seat. What? I'm not feeling very well. What's she saying? What this sandwich has mayo? Oh my god! She's allergy into the mayonnaise. Oh no! Quickly, we need to find Mimi and what's that? I found it. What? How she found it? Oh my god! I'm gonna explore. Oh there! What's that? This bag. My bag. That has Dell good plate. Okay. I don't know. The captain is not asleep. Oh, oh my god. What happened? It's the pair we lose the energy. Oh, the lose energy lose. Wing. What? 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 Where is it? Where is it? I'm gonna go in there. Whoa! Those. Whoa! This! OMG! Nothing. Whoa, that's what. Look this! Look this! It's. Whoa, what's this? Snake? What? Snake? I hate snake. Whoa, whoa! Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna go. Go. Find my help. This snake is too dangerous for the kid. Kid cannot touch snake because the snake is dangerous. Do not touch the snake. Beware of the snake. Do not bite the snake or the snake will bite you. What the heck is happening? This airport is not vacation. It's horror vacation, you know? Oh my god, this vacation is too scary. Power is back up. I cannot sit my seat. Okay, can. The snake are gone. That thanks God. I want to see a wing. That's a horror again. Don't have. Why? I think in there. John F. Your attention, passenger. I have good news and bad news. First, bad news. Bad news. The good news is the power is back up. Bad news. Bad news is what? The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Over. Oh my god! I'm gonna take my oxygen mask. Oh my god, she died because loss of oxygen. Whoa! Wow! Oh my god, the light are off. Oh my god. What is this? Where? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Where? What are going on? Going to the one. Okay everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut cable, I found so fast. There's another passenger. Oh my god, I'm gonna go there. Oh, I found the scissor. Okay. We did it. I found that. Okay, I'm gonna go. It's locked. Yeah, it's locked. Oh my god, how? What happened? Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Oh my god, The door near the code! I'm gonna go. I'm gonna find. Hurry up. No. Don't have! I found the code. Where? Where's the code? Okay, I'm gonna. Where's the captain? Why the captain is here? You will pay for what you done. What is it? The captain is die or what? You think you are the villain? Come on, move on. I rolled you here. What? Oh. What? He meant. That is not possible. Yeah, it's not possible. It is. And now. What? No! I don't want to die! No! Soon afterlife. Oh my god. Help! Oh, I'm gonna go. Hey, the peasant! Another passenger, oh my god. A little bit passenger again. The plane is falling. I see the... Oh my god, this... Later I die when I to find the autopilot button. Oh, find it. Where? Click everything and find that button before they die. Run! No. I found the button. Where? Oh, cool. This button. We did. We saved the plane. Cool. I think the captain is dying. It has to very crazy plane. I just want to be home already. I don't want to ride an airplane again. Hey, this passenger. No, you need to find the emergency phone. So we can call for help. Where's the emergency phone? Hello? We need help. Our captain is on. Don't worry, we'll get home. Is everyone okay? Okay, yes. Are you okay? Oh. The pilot Madison. Oh my god, this. No, she's died. Okay, we'll try from. Jace died. No, but one aircraft crew is died. Where is it? don't do it. Okay, everyone. We got this. Sorry. What? What's she saying? What? Oh! Oh no! It is wet. What the heck is that? You are a pillar of fodder. Your destiny has been already written. Love changed best. What? Crash displayed and reveal the underworld for eternity. Oh my god, oh my god! I wanted you! This has to be done. No, I don't want to ride an airplane again. Wallace Heward! All this time, he trusts Mr. Scott, and he was always on my side. Now, take us home, Mr. Scott. Yes, Master. No, God! No! 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 Is it right? Victory? I don't know victory or not. That's another story. What? Literally? Okay, and then this video until here, and then say bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Or then I will kill you at the airplane. Okay, bye, guys.